Life is great. I love what I do, and I do what I love for myself and my family. I want to give them only the best. We live in a pristine, natural environment, perfect for my little friends. Every day I get to work with them, making one of the world's greatest foods, Clover honey. I make sure that my friends are cared for, kept healthy, and loved all the time. In return, they share with me these precious golden drops, which are delicately collected from the most wondrous flowers. Rich with vitamins, enzymes, and minerals, Clover honey provides the best nutrition for my family. I harvest the honey, making sure that I only take what I need, leaving the rest for them. The honey is sent to one of the top extraction and production facilities in the country, where it's looked after by my colleagues. We extract the honey from the combs, clean it, and cream it, making sure that it retains all its natural goodness. Every batch is tested in our laboratory to ensure safety and traceability, and then packaged responsibly so that it reaches you as pure and natural as can be. I'm proud of what I do. It makes lives better, healthier, and sweeter. Because I want what is best for my family and best for you. HDI. Family.